I'm Miss Allen, and I'm going to teach you the first 5 notes you're going to learn on the alto saxophone. Now go get your saxophone and play along. The first note we're going to learn is D, and D is on the 4th line of the treble clef staff. D requires us to put down almost all of our fingers, but not our pinkies. So we're going to use our octave key on the back, our first 3 fingers on our left hand, and our first 3 fingers on our right hand. This is D. D is a notoriously sharp note, so make sure that you practice with a tuner. The next note we're going to learn is C, and C is on the 3rd space of the treble clef staff. C is fingered with only our middle finger. Make sure you keep your thumb on this black dot on the back of your saxophone. Here's a C. If your notes don't sound like mine, that's okay. There's some things you can do to change it though. Try firming up your embouchure a little bit and make sure your teeth are on top of the mouthpiece. The next note we've got is B, and the only finger we're going to press down is our pointer finger on our left hand. Here's a B. Let's try playing those first 3 notes together. D, C, B. Make sure you're tonguing your notes to get a good clean sound. Guys, we're almost there. We're on our 4th note, A. A is where we're going to press down our B finger and our C finger at the same time. Fingers 1 and 2 on our left hand. Here's an A. We made it to the last note. We're on G. G is on the 2nd line of the treble clef staff, and this is a G. Now let's play all of those notes together from D all the way down to G. Now let's play them from G up to D. Congratulations, you learned the first 5 notes of the saxophone. Now, if you don't already have your saxophone out, go get it out and practice these first 5 notes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.